My name is Mike Miles. I'm Director of Forest Planning and Conservation with Humboldt Redwood Company. Humboldt Redwood Company conducts watershed restoration projects as part of our general operating portfolio. So we manage timber, we manage forests, we do forest restoration, we do watershed restoration, and it's a long-term commitment to the health of the forest and the watershed.
Trout Unlimited is a national nonprofit. Our mission is to bring together diverse interest groups to advance restoration on streams and rivers so that future generations can enjoy wild and native trout and salmon.
This restoration project is important to the company and to all those who've worked on it. It's been 8 years in the making. We planned it out many years ago. We had to go get the permits, work with our partners at the state and federal level, and our engineers, get the designs in place, and then get the right contractor. And this particular project is on the lower North Fork Elk River, which is a coho and Chinook and steelhead stronghold. And so we're really excited to do what we can to improve stream conditions in this stretch of the river.
Trout Unlimited and Humboldt Redwood Company partnerships are really critical to improve how the land is being managed today. And some people might look at a restoration project right after it's done and think we're doing more harm than good. But I always think that you have to break a couple eggs to make an omelet. And really, when you come back, even 1 year later, you're amazed at how little you can tell where the excavator's been or where the disturbance has occurred. And 5 years later, there really is minimal sign, and the benefits are really obvious that it's outweighing any sort of short-term impacts that might have occurred.
On this particular project is a big combination of in-stream and hill slope work, and so we're putting large wood into the channel to restore conditions to what they would have been more historically, with more large wood in there. And then we're also removing a lower road that was the mainline haul road for many, many years. We're going to restore that road to a floodplain condition, connecting it back with the stream channel, which is beneficial for fish, for sorting, sediment control. And then we're building a new upslope road further away from the water course that'll be using for our hauling activities. Humboldt County prides itself on its environment and on taking care of the environment. And so for Humboldt Redwood Company, we're players in that. We're part of the community. And so it's really important this work goes on and that these forests are properly managed. And the community comes out here, they want to see this is managed, and they hold us to a high standard. Things to keep in mind when you think of these sort of restoration projects and you think of Humboldt and Mendocino Redwood Company and the team that puts these projects together is that people do care. And people are out here, whether they're on our staff as biologists, geologists, hydrologists, foresters like myself. We're out here trying to manage this property to the best of our ability for forest health and watershed restoration. And then we partner up with folks like Trout Unlimited, who are biologists focused on stream restoration, and then operators like Pacific Earthscapes, who are actually the men and women who are running the heavy equipment out there right now and putting this project together. We're very conscientious about the work that we're doing, and so you'll see that in the finished product, but we care about the forest that we manage.